users, welcome back. Streamit provides the facility to add a new person to the cast and crew, and that can be used in TV shows, movies, and videos. So let's have a look. Go to the person and click on Add New. Add the name of the person in the title and fill up the corresponding details. You can also add catalog category and more such information. On the right side, you will see the person section. Here you can set its visibility to public or private, flag, image, category to editing, direction, and many more. Once it's done, click on Publish. Now go to the Movies section. Click on the movie you want to add your character into. Click on Edit, go to Cast and search the person's name. Then click on Add New. Herein, characterize the name of the character of that person. Once it's all done, click on Save Cast and then Update. Similarly, you can add a person to movies, videos and TV shows and add the information to that particular project. If you are new to this channel and want to know more about Streamit, then click on that I button. To buy Streamit and other such products, check out our link in the description. So chill it and stream it.